Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to summarize a passage on your Samsung Notes using your S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can highlight a section in the Samsung Notes and tap the Summarize button, which is AI powered, so it basically instantly gives you a condensed version of the content. So here we'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome. We'll go ahead and find a short story. We'll go ahead and copy the content of this. Let's go ahead and copy it. Now we'll go ahead and open up our notes and we'll go ahead and paste this content in this new notes. Let's go ahead and make this full screen. So now as you can see, we have copied everything into our notes. Since this is a long story here, this is about 3 pages long and you don't read it, you can go ahead and use the Galaxy AI feature to summarize this. So in order to summarize this, you want to go ahead and find this Galaxy AI icon here, just here at the bottom. Tap on this. And now here you can go ahead and tap on Summarize. This will now ask you what selection you want to make. So we want to go ahead and select everything. So we go ahead and select to the end of the next page and till the end of this story. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on Generate Summary. Now this will basically read that short story and will give you a summary here. So as you can see, Zayn and Sam went to sweet shop where Sam asked Zayn to steal a bag of sweets. Zayn refused. And you can go ahead and read the summary of this short story. So this basically saves you time and helps students or professionals quickly grasp key moments or points from notes or their research. So there you go guys, that is how to summarize a passage on your Samsung Notes using your S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.